What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. I'm out here in Schaumburg bringing my PCM to Speed Inc. to get it retuned, Vats deleted and all that. It's my first time here. Wait till the trucks pass. It's my first time here. Let me show y'all what it looked like over here. In Schaumburg, 801. Let's go in. Hello. I'm doing YouTube. All right, guys, I'm at Speed Inc. Getting my LS PCM tuned for the standalone harness, right? Standalone harness and everything. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all around and show y'all what's going on. You don't mind if I look at these motors? I mean, well, show them the car? Yeah. Check it out, man. Look at this Impala. What year is this Impala?
59.
59 Impala.
Yeah.
Man, this thing is... Wow. Drive-by cable. Sniper EFI. That thing is a beast. Let's check out the interior, guys. Wow. Let's look at this Pontiac Firebird over here. Official pace car. 64th Indianapolis 500-mile race. Man, this thing is clean. T-tops. This a customer car or something?
It's actually the owner's car.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Pimpala.
Both of them are.
Pimpala. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm getting my standalone harness, my PCM program for this swap. I'll let y'all know what's going on when I come back and pick it up. I'm out.